Hello and welcome to the Barefoot Skinner channel. My name is Darren and I'm coming to you again from the At Creeks Bend taxidermy shop. Today I've got this 6TX 6219 form that we're going to take and do a head alteration on it. I'm going to show you in details how to lay out, cut, and fit and alter this head to a head down position. Follow along with me and I'll lay this out and give you the details. The first thing I'm going to do is get this laser level set up. I'll set this up to where I'm looking right in the front corner of both eyes. So right now my line is at the corner on the back side. Now I've got a line pointing straight down the back of the head, back of the neck, center. I'm going to use that as the center line. I'm going to draw a line on either side of that center line, let's say about 3/4 of an inch on either side, giving me an 1.5 inch wide band right there in the back. What I'm doing here is establishing what would be perceived as the center point of the spine coming up and where the head would pivot on that neck joint. So that's going to be right in here. And to keep that symmetrical on the other side, I'm going to use the corner of the eye again. My laser line is just a little bit below the corner of the eye, so I'll move my laser around and come right back behind that ear pocket at the same height on the other side. Now I'm going to take a 1/2 inch auger bit and drill straight through and align with that hole, align with that mark on the other side. I can use this laser line for the level on the drill. Straight back in here. I'm going to end up taking about this much out of that neck to get the head tilted down where I need it to be. Here's what I'm going to do on the back. I'm going to cut down here and go around, cut down here and go around. I'm going to leave this on the form. I'm going to maintain that point as my hinge point, and I'm going to remove material here below the jaw to get the head to tilt down. And in order to leave this hinge point here, I'm going to come up in here and cut the front end of that pedestal, that hinge point off. And that'll free up the head. I'm going to cut in underneath this board all the way back here. I just need to come up in here. See what I have left here is a point that I'm going to maintain the skeletal structure of the length. So I'm going to have to cut off a portion of this to allow that to happen. Use a piece of dowel rod and go back in there pin that. And make this match up a little bit better by holding those two pieces together and just taking it out until it settles in there nicely. Well, we accomplished a couple things there in this video. One, we altered that semi-sneak offset shoulder standard form into a semi-sneak offset shoulder head down. Presents those antlers where it puts that those G2s vertical, gets them out there and presents them well. And also repaired the broken skull cap, got it back together where it will structurally be just fine now. After it's screwed and glued and the hides wrapped back around there, that'll never be a problem. So thank you for watching, and God bless.
Before that Georgia sun puts by the door and the day begun. Mama said, boy, don't you run too wild, but the river been calling me since I was a child. And now roll that wheel, clap your hands and stomp your heel. Hey, now don't stand still, we're dancing on the old red hill. Wind and a gravel road, dust in the air with a pickup roll. Granddad's banjo on the porch at night, picking them strings till the morning light. Then now roll that wheel, clap your hands and stomp your heel. Hey, now don't stand still, we're dancing on the old red hill. Fair in a mason jar, laughter drifting from the old boxcar, sir smiling in a cotton dress. Lord have mercy, I must confess. Head out, roll that wheel, clap your hands and stomp your heel. Hey, now don't stand still, we're dancing on the old red hill. The banjo moan, round and round till the stars all fade. Living free is the choice we made. Hey, now roll that